This is the garage door opener from Triple M Machine. I'm going to demonstrate how to program it and install it on your motorcycle. Basically, you remove the product from the package, of course, but all I'm going to do is go through the steps on how to program it and install it. To start with, you remove the 3 screws from the back with the wrench provided, obviously. These 3 screws are critical because they're the ones that are most responsible for keeping this a weatherproof product rather than a cheap Chinese clip-on. So after you remove the 3 screws, you remove the cover. This is also programmable to the dip switches, but I'm not going to get into dip switches because most garage door remotes and garage door openers have the Smart Learn button. So we're on step number 4 already. So you push, this is the program button, the program learn button. So you push it and hold it until you see the LED light come on. Okay. Then you're ready to go to your garage door opener. Which, as you can see, has the red Smart Learn button, which you will find the chart from the back of the instruction sheet, which color you have. This one is the red, so you push the button 2 times. 1, 2. Which automatically opens the garage door. It can also make a click or just flash the light. It doesn't always open the garage door, but as long as you get one of them 3 things, it's telling you that it's learned. The light will be solid. Push the program button again. You're set. It's programmed. Now you're ready to assemble. You're ready to assemble. 3 screws back in. Again, you want to tighten the 3 screws evenly. This is where you get your weatherproofing. So it is critical to tighten them all the same. Now, it also comes with new bolts. They're a little bit longer than the factory bolts, but they have the same ASTM qualifications. You want to loosen all bolts evenly, and it actually is probably a good idea to actually put a mark between the clamp and the bar if you want the bars in the same location. But I've already broken them loose, everything, so it should be good. All you do is remove the 2 bottom bolts. Install the garage door opener with the new bolts. They are a little bit longer. And retorque all the bolts to manufacturer's suggested torque specs. There, it's programmed and installed. Push the button. I got a garage door opener. Weatherproof, water resistant. Find out more information at triplemmachine.com. Ride safe.